we're taking traditional cod and chips and completely tearing up the rulebook to bring you some super punchy flavours. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. We're letting the oven do most of the work for this simple fish dish with lots of spicy flavour. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 200C or 400F. Now we're going to make some smoky potato wedges to go with the fish, and the potatoes will take a little bit longer to cook than the fish, so we're going to start with them. So I've got about 500 grams, which is about 4 medium floury potatoes here, and I've sliced them into wedges, no need to peel. Place those wedges on a large baking tray. To season those potato wedges, we're going to sprinkle over half a teaspoon each of salt, pepper and smoked paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and chilli flakes, and then toss them together to evenly coat the potatoes. Now drizzle the potatoes with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss together again to coat evenly. Don't be afraid to get in there with your hands and make sure the potatoes are fully coated. Now place the potatoes in the oven for 20 minutes. So whilst those potato wedges are in the oven, we're going to prepare the fish. Now I've got 4 cod fillets here, but you can use any chunky white fish really, so hake, pollock or haddock. Also salmon actually works really well. Place the cod fillets onto a shallow baking tray. Sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of Cajun spice mix, along with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Pat the spice mix down onto the cod fillets. Then we're going to dab about 2 tablespoons of olive oil onto the fish using a pastry brush. After the potatoes have been in the oven for about 20 minutes, we're going to take them out and turn them. Turn them over using a spatula. Now place them back in the oven along with the cod fillets. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the cod is cooked through and the potato wedges are golden. And that's it. Soft, tender, juicy fish with a lovely Cajun flavour, served up with some smoky potato wedges. This recipe, plus 99 others, is available in my new book, It's All About Dinner. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out and hopefully order your copy. See you next time.